Nandito kami sa press launch ng isang collection. Ito po. Tayo sa ano? Ito, sa likod. Wow! Ang sarap naman dito. Pwedeng dito na tayo tumira. Dito ko. Nakikita ba? Parang hindi ako nakikita. Hi! We're here sa Blue Water Day Spa and product launch ng ng personal collection, bagong product nila. So, eto. Instant pampering. Kasama ko si Mami. And yan, ibang vloggers. Madilim dito sa loob ng theater kaya hindi ko sure kung nakikita ako. And I met a friend, Reg. Yan. Reg. Hi. Vlog.
Okay.
Vlog. Yan. Yan. Madilim dito eh. Yan. Maliwanag na.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming. There are some refreshments outside, so if you're a bit hungry and starved from the journey on your way here, you can help yourselves with some refreshments outside. And you can bring them in. Just relax while we're awaiting the opening of the program. Please have some refreshments and just bring them in. Thank you.
Tinantay. Uy. Pasok ka yata.
Ano, pwede malamig at atakin ako na.
So yun first. Coffee.
Coffee ka. Wala ka sa bahay.
Nakarelate ka sa ganon. Pag kukainin pa sure. Ito yung foods. Ito yung foods namin. Lasagna. Bake mac. And sandwich. Chips. And ito. Ewan ko. Chicken. Tsaka fruits. Iced tea. Kain.
So before we begin, I'd like to background on Personal Collection or PC. Of the leading direct selling companies in the Philippines. Since 2003, the company has been
Hi, everyone who made it out here today. So I'd like to say a few words for. I'm really happy to be part of the touch.
while using the Alpha One men's care products. There are also Alpha One products in the shower as well as in the washrooms for you to sample as well. So, what are we waiting for? Just relax and enjoy the special treat made just for you. And if you would like to have a question and a photo op with our guest of honor, feel free to raise your hand and we'll usher in you here on the stage. Alright, so enjoy your massage.
I don't know if other people do, but I think it's really important to shower, to wash your face, even if you don't shower. The one I like the most is the facial wash, because like I said, everything in the line is mentalized. So I washed my face. Like you can feel your pores closing. Like that's how close. That's how cold it is. For me, the most important thing to have with a girl is conversation. So like, the girl can be like the prettiest girl in the world, pero kung wala, I can't hang out with you.
Alright, so again, the question is any ongoing projects or upcoming movies that you would like to invite?
Actually, I have something that's out right now. TV5,
nawala na siya
One House for the
mag-footspa.
Month. It's myself, Jasper, Curtis, Lina Brenica. So maybe like, everyone can check it out later tonight at 9 p.m. That would be great. Thank you.
Any other questions from the back?
Ipanood mo.
Alright, here you go. Another one from Milette.
Start na ako with my foots pa. Hindi na ako nakapagpa-picture. Punta ka dito. Albi dito.
Alright, at this point, I would like to call the employees of Personal Collection to have an official photo shoot with our guest of honor. Or we call it the family. Last two more, and then we'll have a family picture with the rest of the Personal Collection employees. Join us here on stage.
Instant pampering talaga. Ayan si Mami.
May we invite our AVP and Dara to join us in our photo ops with our guest of honor.
Nagpapapicture kay Albi Casino. Si Albi. Albi Casino.
Come up with two cologne, and then you have to do your deodorant. You put together as one, they can come in very handy. And at the same time, it's antimicrobial. So talaga nakakapatay siya ng 99.9% of germs. Okay, so sino na dito ang minamasahe ng ating Alpha One products? Siya po, di ba? Nicole, tell us more about your blog. Sorry, nagising ba siya? Alright, sige. Nicole, tell us more about your blog and the experience so far.
My blog is Chubby Chichen Brando, and it's an exercise massages, but not, I really don't do massages, but not the hard one. But this one is
Experiencing currently the product at this point? How do you find it? How does the smell, the feel of the skin? Smell it pa. Alright, sige, let's all check out chubbychitchat.com, no? Her blog.
Tapos na kami i-massage ni Mami. Foot scrub tsaka foot spa. Yeah. Na-relax ka?
Sa ng video na ano.
Si Mami ang kapal na mukha, nagpa-picture kay Albi Casino. Talagang inano pa niya, tinawag pa niya.
Tatawag ka
Ako nga, hindi ko kayang tawagin siya, tinawag niya.
Abay, tinanong mo. Ano ko, picture ka?
Minamassage ako. Yan si Mami. Tapos na yung event. Bale, tinatapos na lang yung pampering session. And baka uuwi na kami after this. Finally, tapos na kami sa pampering session. Feel na feel ni Alice. Ninanaw na mo talaga. Minsan lang, no?
video pa yan?
Oo, vlog.
Oh my God, hi!
Alice of... Ano, Fujifilm.
Fujifilm.
Ikaw ano, di ba? So, we are now heading home. Ngayon, natapos na kami sa pampering experience and here, uwi na kami. Ito pala yung sa may harap. Blue Water Spa and ito yung products nila na nilaunch. New line. Alpha One. Merong shampoo and body soap and facial wash, body lotion, and body spray. Yan. So, ayan. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kami. Saan yung ano? Teka lang. Pura na ako ng makeup and super napagod. So, ito pala yung mga, papakita ko yung mga, binigay nila sa first launch ng personal collection. Ito, White Dove na shampoo, baby shampoo and soap. Bagong product rin nila yung soap. Ito, Skinergy Baby Milk Soap. Yan. Yan. I will vlog about this. And dalawa. Ito pa. So, dalawa siya. And, itong laman ng ito. Ang bag. Ayan. May laman ng bag. Face wash. And ito soap. Ayan. Soap. Alpha soap. Ito whitening scrub. And ito is anti-dandruff shampoo. And this one is deodorant body spray. And this one naman whitening body lotion. Yan, whitening series. Umiiyak na si Brad, nahanap ako. So, dalawang bag yun nakuha ko. Yan, ito pa isa. Ito yung isa. So, dalawa sila. So, yan. Maliligo muna ako. Later na lang.